We have a 1999 Toyota forklift. The model is a 42-6FGCU15. Has a 3,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Uses the popular Toyota 4Y engine. Automatic transmission. Cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. Tires are in good condition. Mast is a 2-stage mast, 84 inches or 7 feet when collapsed. Forks will lift to a maximum height of 131 inches, which is just over 10 feet. Good for high lifting applications. The mast has tilt function forward and back. Also has side shifter function to move the fork carriage side to side. Has 42-inch long standard forks and a load backrest attachment. It's running and operating and ready to work.